Hi, this is Shelly from Frugal Family Home, and I wanted to share with you a favorite pumpkin muffin recipe with the crumble topping. So let's start with the crumble topping first. First, we're going to add regular sugar and brown sugar and use a whisk to break those up real well. Now we're going to add flour and cinnamon and going to mix those in with a whisk again too. And finally, we're going to add some butter. Now you can use butter, margarine, or even softened coconut oil, whatever works for you. And I like to just pinch this in to mix it in really well. And it's a little messy, but it works really well. And then once we get it all incorporated and it looks really nice and crumbly, then we're going to put this in the refrigerator until ready to use. Now let's make the pumpkin muffins. First, we'll add the flour. Now we're going to add the sugar and our other dry ingredients, the baking powder, salt, and nutmeg. And we're going to use a whisk again to whisk those in. And now we're going to add the wet ingredients, the oil and the pumpkin puree. And make sure to use pumpkin puree here and not the pumpkin pie filling. And then finally the milk is the next item we'll be adding, and you can use any kind of milk, dairy-free or regular milk here. And then we're just going to stir it to moisten all the dry ingredients. Don't overmix. And now we're going to fill the muffin tins. We want to fill the muffin cups up about 3/4 full. And once we get them all filled, we're going to add the crumble topping. And I just like to pile this on because I love crumble topping. Kind of press it in when you have it all on the... And then after they're baked for 20 minutes in a 400-degree oven, this is how they look. And if you like this pumpkin recipe, I would love to have you subscribe to our channel. And thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.